Tips from the hips, the best tips and hips on the internet. Now if you've got a mortise to chop out which is unsupported underneath, like I have here, so I want to take this, well it's a groove really, out of this material here, and it's not supported underneath. What's going to happen when my chisel comes part of the way down is everything's going to break away suddenly, and I'll get left with a lot of spelching underneath there, perhaps tearing out even further back than I wanted to go. To avoid that, install a piece of hardwood that's a tight fit between the bottom of the mortise and something supporting it underneath. So in this case I've knocked in this little piece of beech into the gap below the mortise. It's tight up against the underside of the material I'm chopping away, tight up against the support surface underneath there. Now I can go ahead and chop away. And I end up with a clean surface at the bottom of the mortise. Tips from the hips, the best tips and hips on the internet. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now. And if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.